Box breaks is 10:10 p.m. Eastern Time on the 12th of November. Breaking Luminaries. Box break number one autos. Here's what we got. Carson, Joey, James, Tyler, Carson, Bradford, Tyler, Bradford, Mike, James, Jory, and Nick. Let's get guys a random team. Anything higher than 4, lower, go reroll as always. All right, Nick on bottom, Carson on top. 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right, Tyler on top, Mike on bottom. All right, here we go, guys. I'll leave it open for trades too for 10 seconds. All right, we got Tyler, the Braves, Royals go to Carson, Bradford, the Red Sox, White Sox go to Joey, Jory with the Cubs, Reds go to Carson, James with the Indians, Rockies go to Joey. Nick with the Tigers, Astros go to Nick, Joey with the Royals, Angels go to James. We got Carson with the Dodgers, Marlins go to Mike, Tyler with the Brewers, Twins go to Joey, Bradford with the Mets, Yankees, and Athletics go to Nick, Tyler with the Phillies and Pirates. Bradford with the Padres and Giants. We got James with the Mariners, Cardinals go to Joey, Carson with the Rangers, Blue Jays go to James, and Mike with the Nationals. We got the 10 if anyone wants to do any trades. If not, we'll go ahead and break. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, guys, good luck. Still looking for a big hit here. There's been at least 2 huge hits per case. Some had a whole bunch, some had barely any. So far, we're not really getting anything big yet. Ricky Henderson is by far our best hit. So we got 6 more to go. All right, guys, good luck. All right, it's going to be for the Cardinals. Mr. Ozzie Smith. Cardinals was Joey. There you go, Joey. Congrats, dude. 1 of 15, Ozzie Smith. Probably our second best hit so far. There you go, buddy. That's going to go to Joey. Sorry there's didn't hit, guys. Unfortunately, there's only 1 hit per box. That's why I wanted to do a draft, but as of right now, this is a better deal, I think, on the 1 boxers. Appreciate it, guys. I'll go ahead and post box number 6. There's already 2 spots going because Scott paid already for the last one, and I messed up. I thought he was in, so there's going to be 12 spots left in that. All right, appreciate it, guys.